Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see interesting option, two tips option related to Revit family and also about the project. Meanwhile, there are many questions we had come across regarding the product downloads from our website that it is now recovered. You will be able to download the families and download the exercise files of Revit MAP trainings and other training files. You will be able to download it as free after your logins. And also you have a link to follow me on LinkedIn. You can follow me, and we have thousands of families for you to freely download. You have to log in and download that. Also, if you need any service related to BIM modeling and family creation, do let us know. Oh, what is the scenario here, and what is the thing that we're going to see here? So you see, there is an air terminal available here. Also, there is another air terminal which is available nearby that. You can see them side by side. Both are in different heights, and one is available view easy to view, and the other one is not visible in the plan view. Basically, you tend to increase the view range. When you increase the view range, we will be able to see the air terminal. But what happens is that the other object, window, doors, and their details, section details, will affect in this place when you do that. So in my case, there are two options. One is in the family, because we talking about the other air terminal. We are talking about the one particular family that is not visible. If in that case, what you can do is you can simply have a small line, whatever the length that you wanted to have, and you can draw that inside the family. Or you can have a simple dot at the bottom also. Even you can select and you can turn off the visibility of the object. It doesn't require to be visible in the project. Once you've done that, you can load that into the project and override the existing version and everything. Now if you see that, the family will be visible. This will applies only one family needs to be visible in a particular view range. You can do that. But what if someone some particular portion needs to be visible? For example, double heighted floor. When you are in the first floor, you wanted to see the ground floor also. What will be the direct view that we will get it in the ground floor? Or we will be having a usual floors like this, and we will have a window in this place, or the louver or fan, exhaust fan will be there in this place, which is needs to be which usually will be in the higher place, which will not be covered usual view range place. In that case, you can go ahead and create a under the plan view option here. Use the plan region option. This is wonderful option when you use it perfectly. What you can do is you can draw the area, whatever the area that you wanted to change it, um, like this. In this case, air terminal, if you don't want to affect the entire area, you can do it. But for me, I'm just showing you the example. Once you do that, you will be able to see the view range option, where you can control the view range particularly in this sketched area. Nothing will happen actually. So for example, I wanted to see until 3200 or 3300 top range. I need to be having that 300 200. So the air terminal is already visible, and what I can do is I can go back and delete the line that we created, and I can go back and load that over at the existing version. Now still, if you see that, the air terminal is visible. Now if I delete that, you won't be able to see that. So view range, as I said, there are very good option, and also this element will not be visible in the printing or any other place that you, if you worry, it won't be visible in the any other places in your documents. So this is very convenient option that if you want to control a particular area's view range, you will be able to use the view in this under this plan region option will be very much useful. Do let me know if you need any specific tools that you needed in Revit. We will be able to address you that with a different tutorial. And with that, don't forget to share it with your learning friends. Sharing is caring. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.